guys, how are you? My name is Dilshot. I'm gonna be a tour guide today.
Okay, great.
Yeah, and here's the famous Plaza Hotel, guys.
Okay,
If you do remember the movies, Home Alone, the second part,
okay,
Elvis, and also Crocodile Dundee.
okay,
Yeah, right now the Plaza Hotel, it's also half apartment, half hotel.
okay,
You know, like 60% hotel and
Okay.
40% residential.
okay,
And from this side you go to hotel,
okay,
and from the other side to residential.
okay, okay, great.
And there is the Fifth Avenue, 59th Street. You see that one, the black shining one?
Yeah,
That's the Trump Tower.
Tom Tower.
Yeah, Trump Tower.
Okay,
So that's ex-president Trump. When he come to New York City, you know, he'll stay here.
okay. ஸோ ஒரு வழியாக இதில் வந்து எலக்ட்ரிக் காரில் வந்து ஏறியாச்சு. சரி, இதில் போகிறதுக்கு சிரமமாக இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ரைடு.
Hey guys, on this side you see the sign, residents only.
எஸ்.
Hello. There is also another hotel, which is, you know, Park Lane.
யா,
It's also like this, you know, half hotel, half residential.
ஓகே.
Around the Central Park,
யா,
this is a very huge park, and there are 24 entrances to the park, guys.
24 entrance.
24 entrances.
வாவ்.
Here's one of them.
செம்ம கூதலாக இருக்குது.
And as we usually said, guys,
Yeah.
welcome to my office.
ஓகே.
Welcome to Central Park.
சென்ட்ரல் பார்க்.
And as I told you, there are 24 entrances to the park. This is very huge park,
Yeah.
which is the area total park. It's 843 acres.
843 acres.
Yes.
Oh,
You know, guys, the size of a football field.
yeah.
One football field,
Yeah.
it's almost 2 acres.
Okay.
Let's count Central Park, guys. 843. It's gonna be more than 420 football fields.
Wow.
It's very huge, guys.
Huge.
And by the way, the construction of Central Park, you know, it started from 1857, 167 years ago.
167 ago.
Yes, years ago.
Yeah.
And for the construction Central Park,
Yeah.
workers need 16 years to build the park.
16 years.
Yeah, because at first time, most of the park was swampery.
Ah.
You know, so the workers need 8 years to dry the swamp.
Okay.
I mean, every single trees were planted one by one. You know,
Okay.
the main road, the whole. Only natural thing in the park, that's the rocks.
Okay. Natural.
The biggest rocks,
Yeah.
and you know, some of the rocks they're first since Ice Age.
Okay.
Manhattan is like the big rock.
Okay.
And look guys to the traffic lights. You can see traffic lights.
Yes.
Because more than 7 years ago,
Yeah.
in Central Park, used to drive regular cars.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, back in the days, people used to drive here.
Okay.
Then it happened a lot of accidents.
Ah.
Look how many people, you know, running.
Yes,
bikes,
cycling.
carried. Right now, they stopped.
Okay.
It became more safe. When you can see the line, you see the first
Yes.
one for people running, walking.
Yeah.
The second for the regular bikes.
Mm-hmm.
Time for other medium Lamborghinis and the Porsches. And pay attention to the the right, you guys see the house,
Yeah.
which is called the chess and checkers house. So people came here to play chess and checkers.
Ah, okay.
Right there. See people playing chess. On the left side, the oldest indoor carousel.
Okay.
Like oldest indoor carousel,
Yeah.
which was built, 122 years ago.
Okay.
It still works. It's still nice. Guys, you can see the house.
Yeah.
The house was also the first house in Central Park. I
Okay.
mean, before construction Central Park, people used to live here.
Okay.
Central Park used to be Sanaka village.
Village.
Yeah, more than 200 families was moved from Central Park to another place. But they leave it like this. I mean, they update it also.
Ah, okay.
But right now, that's the information center and gift shop.
Ah. Oh.
Christopher Columbus. Of course, here is also the William Shakespeare.
William Shakespeare, Columbus.
Buildings. Hey guys, the tallest buildings. All residential apartment.
This one.
This one and that one. All of them. I'll give you the stop. There is a very nice view to get
Yeah.
a picture also. So I pick up you from there. There is the plaza. You see
Yeah.
the green roof.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Oof. Oof. இதில் பார்க்குற எல்லாமே ரெசிடென்ஸ் பில்டிங்கா. ஒப்போ 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 ஒப்போ. உஃப். Yes. Yeah. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
that one, the glass one on the right
Yes.
side,
Yeah.
which is called the Central Park Tower. That's the tallest residential building in the world.
Wow.
And look to the skinny one on the left.
Yes.
On the skinny one, guys, it's also all residential apartment too.
Oh,
Yeah, but look at the top. You see, it's supposed to be
yeah, a lot
more
of
floors,
yeah,
but
yeah.
they stopped the construction
Ah, okay.
because when they start building, they feeling like tower. It's a little bit shakes.
Shakes. Oh.
That's why even you can see, guys, in every 15 floors there is no windows.
Yes, yes.
That's for
They
the
keep it.
wind.
Yeah.
Wind must go through in order not to shake.
Yes, 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 yes. Correct.
Even you see on the top, maybe you see at the top they did the triangles.
Yes, I can see that. Oh. So wonderful. Green curve for that.
Right now, guys, I will take you to the east side, upper east side.
Okay.
Upper east side, it's the prestigious area. The nickname is also called the old money. Old money, like old three generations families. Rockefeller, John Kennedy, Carnegie, JP Morgan. All of them, they have look at the trees. See the trees?
Yes.
They're in a one line, and they're in a one line up. That means they're all planted at the same time, All
Okay.
park, all handmade and made by people. You remember the movie John Wick?
For
Keanu
me,
Reeves, yeah. If you guys watch it, you know,
no,
was
no.
filmed there too.
Yeah.
There is also the statue of the dog. His name is Balto. Balto. This also have a cartoon. You know, this is a true story.
Okay.
Back in the days in 1925, when first it was in Alaska, this group of dogs they transported a lot of medicaments and saved a lot of kids. And look how many sidewalks.
Yep.
Only the main road of Central Park, guys, it's 6.2 miles.
6.2 miles.
Yeah, if you connected all the sidewalk, look how many sidewalks.
Yes, yes.
Total, it's going to be 58 miles.
58 miles.
And you have to know where to go.
Yes, otherwise we will round same place.
Yeah, you're right. Old money. You see the buildings? Different style.
Yes.
Not too high with the top with the penthouses, terrace. And here, most of the buildings, they're like cooperative.
Okay,
So if you
cooperative.
if you want to buy apartment,
Yeah.
so you have to be approved by the neighbors.
Oh,
If
okay.
one family say no, you go out.
Yes, we cannot buy.
Yeah.
I thought. Okay.
So they're not like celebrities because celebrities are
Yes.
losing too much attention and paparazzi.
Yes, yes, yes.
That's why
True.
everyone- There's the statue of Pilgrim Fathers right there. New York. Previous name was New Amsterdam.
New Amsterdam.
Yeah, New Amsterdam words, and they came then changed it to New York.
Okay.
And did you know the history?
Yeah.
Back in the days, Manhattan Island bought for only $24.
$24.
Back in the days, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Right now, you know that's the most expensive island in the world.
Yes, yes. இந்த ஏரியெல்லாம் பார்த்தாக்கா சைக்கிள்லேயும் போகிறாங்க, மக்கள் ஓடுறாங்க, ரேஸ் ஓடுற மாதிரி போயிட்டு இருக்காங்க. இங்கே ஒரு நேரத்தில் கார்லாம் ஓடிக்கிட்டு இருந்துச்சான், அதெல்லாம் நிப்பாட்டிட்டாங்க. காரணம்னாக்கா ஏகப்பட்ட ஆக்சிடென்ட் நடக்குது பண்ணிட்டு. ஒவ்வொரு பில்டிங்கை பார்த்தா வா அப்பா நினச்சி பார்க்க முடியாத அளவில் இருக்குது. Yes. This is another main spot.
Our next stop.
Yeah.
It's a very beautiful place, guys.
Yeah.
I recommend you to check the tunnel as well, right here.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the biggest fountain, which is called the Bethesda Fountain and Terrace, Angel of the Water.
Shahrukh Khan, yes.
Yes, yeah. You remember?
He lost the ring.
No, it was problem with heart, something.
Okay.
Find one go. It's not Pakistan. We're also watching, Bollywood.
Yes. This area called what is it called? This area.
This area it's called the Bethesda Fountain and Terrace. Angel
That's
of the
it
Water.
for terrace and water.
Yeah, and you can see the lake.
Yes.
The color is like green.
Okay. We
So
can,
they add also chemical claim. You know the not to
yeah.
smell and
Yeah. Correct.
And you see people renting the rowboats. They're renting rowboats from the boathouse right there behind
Yeah,
you
yeah,
see
yeah,
the
yeah.
green roof.
Yeah.
there is the famous restaurant which is called the Boat House.
Boat house. Yeah. We have better than here. In India, my place.
Oh yeah, Boat House.
Yeah.
But well, if you guys...
You want to
Take
take
one
it?
picture like this. Huh?
No problem. How?
No, yeah, c'est là qu'il est.
ஸோ இப்போ நீங்கள் இங்கே பார்க்குற ஏரியா தான் அந்த டனல். இது பல மூவிகள் வந்து இந்த ஏரியாவில் வந்து எடுத்திருக்காங்க. அங்கே பாருங்க.
See, it's true that I don't in love with you. Stone in love with you. Now if I were that I believe behind them.